A lot of you guys have been asking me in my Twitch streams how to get this charity badge right here, which is Snowflake Badge. And basically, guys, I have this all jerry rigged up, so I might not actually be looking at the camera. I apologize if that looks weird. But basically, I don't want to waste any more of your time. You actually can't get this badge anymore. But if you want to watch to the end of this video, I basically will be explaining exactly what the badge is, how you would have obtained it back in 2018. But yes, you can't obtain this badge anymore. My name's Spaghetti. I stream every Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. Come hang out. So to get this badge, if that's what you're interested in, back in December of 2018, between the 18th and the 29th, if you would have donated to any stream using bits with hashtag charity, you would actually have automatically obtained the badge. And I believe it was like for every $10 spent of bits, the charity would receive $2. So to sum it up here, Direct Relief is an organization active in 50 states and over 80 countries around the globe. And their mission is to improve lives and the people affected by poverty. Direct Relief ships essential medicines and medical supplies to healthcare organizations on an ongoing basis. So some of the things that they have done are for Hurricane Harvey, Irma, and Maria, and as well as in 2018, the earthquakes in Mexico, wildfires in Northern and Southern California. This charity is still going on. Here's their website themselves. If you still are interested into donating to this organization, just go to directrelief.org. By any chance, if you had this badge and you just don't know how to equip it, what you do is you just go down to chat settings in Twitch itself, you click your identity, and there would list all your global badges. All right, guys, so short video today. Thank you for watching. Sadly, yeah, you can't get this badge anymore. I just had a few people still asking about it, so I thought I'd pop on today and let you guys all know. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Stay frosty, folks.